What if I told you that one decision you make today right now, in your 20s could be worth over $500,000 by the time you retire? I'm not talking about a lottery ticket. I'm not talking about crypto gambling. I'm talking about simple, proven investments that almost nobody under 30 is actually using. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly where to put your money. Welcome back to Cashflow Hacks, the channel where we break down real money moves for real people. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we drop financial strategies every single week that could literally change your financial future. Here's the hard truth. First, according to the Federal Reserve's Survey of Consumer Finances, the median American household age 30 to 39 has only $23,000 in total financial assets. And more than half of people in their 30s own zero individual stocks or bonds. Zero. That means most people sleep on investing their entire 20 seconds and then spend the next decade trying to catch up. You're not going to be that person. So let's talk about the 3 best investments for people under 30. Number 1. S&P 500 Index Funds. This is the single most powerful wealth building tool available to a young investor. The S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of 10.3% since 1957, according to Fidelity. That means a $10,000 investment made just 5 years ago would be worth $17,250 today. Per Motley Fool, you're not picking stocks. You're not paying a fund manager. You buy funds like VU from Vanguard, Fidelity from Fidelity, or swaps from Schwab, and your expense ratio is as low as 0.015%. That's basically free. And Wall Street's median forecast for the S&P 500 by year-end 2026 is 7,650. That's roughly 10% upside just this year alone. Number 2. Roth IRA. This is your secret weapon, and most people under 30 have never even opened one. A Roth IRA lets your money grow completely tax-free. You contribute after-tax dollars today, and every single dollar of growth and every withdrawal in retirement is 100% tax-free. Here's the number that should stop you in your tracks. $7,000 invested into a Roth IRA at age 25 grows to approximately $122,000 by age 65. Assuming a conservative 7% return, according to WealthView, that same $7,000 invested at age 45 grows to only $27,000. You lose $95,000 just by waiting 20 years. The 2026 contribution limit is $7,500 annually for people under 50. Open one today at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Takes 15 minutes. Number 3. Yourself. I know this sounds cliché, but hear me out. Roughly 37% of 25-year-olds now use investment accounts, according to Origin's 2026 Beginner's Investment Guide. That number is up from just 6% a decade ago. The people who grew that number didn't just invest in stocks, they invested in skills, certifications, and income-producing knowledge that boosted their earning power before putting money into markets. A higher income means more money to invest. More money invested means more compound interest working for you. The return on a $500 online course that gets you a $20,000 raise. That's a 4,000% ROI. No index fund beats that. Here's your action plan. Open a brokerage account this week. Fidelity and Schwab have zero minimums. Start a Roth IRA and set up automatic contributions, even if it's just $50 a month. Invest in at least one skill that makes you more money. And remember this, a 10.3% annual return turns $10,000 into over $189,000 over 30 years. Time is your biggest advantage right now. Use it. If this video helped you, drop a like, leave a comment with which investment you're starting with, and subscribe to Cashflow Hacks. I'll see you in the next one.